look. Oh yeah. Everything. British Columbia. Yeah. On est les compères.
They have places where they've what is it called again with the gold mines when they have a plot?
Yeah. Okay.
There's all that where you can still go there and somebody would take you go. I don't know if you can. You know, you go in the river, you do the shake. Yeah. This is a beautiful. This is my cabin is on this lake, but I'm on the.
Tu filmes? Ouais. C'est les plus beaux chiottes du monde.
Yes.
C'est magnifique. Et Matt l'a vu quand tu chies. C'est génial.
Yeah, so see, you know, something came in here because it kind of did damage, you know?
Yeah.
It's not too bad, but you know that they're here.
Oh, look. Here. There is the prints. Tracks.
Oh, yeah.
Tracks.
Yeah, Vince. Yeah, because all these bags were stacked nicely. And you could see his bare paws in there, right? Look in there. And he stepped, this plant was all nice. And it's got all...
It was a brown or...
Yeah, black bear.
Black?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's cool. Yeah. Does it happen often that the bear come?
Would it come well if you have food? As in if I had bird feed?
Yeah.
They'll come for the bird feed.
Come.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, so food has to be put away.
So you told me that you don't need electricity, you don't need...
No. Propane.
Yeah, solar.
Propane, solar, all the little lights everywhere. That's it. Yeah.
And after you told me about your water, it's warm by...
That's my water right there.
It's warm by the sun.
Yeah, see the sun's warming it. And then the shower's down there.
Hopefully the bears didn't...
No, because it's nothing in there, it's water, right?
They can push it down away.
Yeah. Yeah, then I'd have to build a new one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ça fait pas très longtemps qu'on est parti en tour du monde, on arrive à notre 4e jour là, mais très franchement je crois qu'on a découvert, enfin je viens personnellement de découvrir l'un des plus beaux endroits que j'ai jamais vu de ma vie. Et bien entendu, comme je vous avais dit, on va tout partager avec vous, et cet endroit aussi. Donc on est à Illouette Lake, et bah, ça se passe des commentaires en fait. Alors ça c'est le lac, et maintenant je vous montre la berge. le paradis du campeur quoi.
Alors, c'est belle au Canada? It's amazing.
Oh, good.
You're really kind.
No
Yeah.
problem.
Thank you very much, mate.
No problem.
And we will come.
No problem. Have a good time,
We will
guys.
come to say you goodbye.
Okay.
Yeah.
No problem, guys. Okay.
C'est un truc de dingue. Paquet toujours à gauche. Paquet toujours à gauche. Ouais, c'est en lutte.